A warm greetings to one and all. I'm Sai Parmeshwari from CSCA and D section. Today we are going to discuss a topic about uniform distribution. Contents. What is uniform distribution? Types. General formula. Uniform seed, reads, expected value and variance. Finding probabilities and continuous uniform distribution. Conclusion. What is uniform distribution? A uniform distribution, also called a rectangular distribution, is a possibility distribution that has constant probability. This distribution is defined by two parameters A and B. A is minimum, B is maximum. The distribution is written as the following graph shown as distribution with A equals to 1 and B equals to 3. Uniform distribution AB like a probability distribution for continuous random variables. The area under the graph of random variables is also equal to 1. In above graph, the area is A equals to I into H equals to 2 into 0.5 equals to 1. Types. The distribution has two types. The most common type you will find the eliminating statistics is the continuous uniform distribution. However, there is a second type, the discrete uniform distribution. It still resembles a rectangular, but instead of a line, a series of dots represent a known finite number of outcomes. The following graph shows five possible outcomes. Rolling a single die is one exponent, and a discrete uniform distribution. A die roll has four possible outcomes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and or 6. There is 1 by 6 possibility for each number being rolled. General formula. The general formula for the probability density function for the uniform distribution. A is the local parameter. The local parameter tells us where the center of the graph is. B is the scale parameter. The scale parameter sketches the graph out on the horizontal axis. Note the A and B there aren't to be conflict with lower cases, which is an open interval. Uniform CDF. The uniform distribution doesn't always look like a rectangle. A special case, the uniform circumlate distribution function adds up all of the possibilities and plots the result, which is a linear graph and not a rectangular. Expected value and variance. The expected value of a uniform random variable x is. The variance is a uniform random variable is variable x and 1 by 12 b minus a whole square. For the above image, the variance is 1 by 12 3 minus 1 whole square equals to 1 by 12 into 4 equals to 1 by 3. Finding probabilities for the continuous uniform distribution. The average amount of weight gained by a person over the winter months is uniformly distributed for 0 to 30 lbs. Finding the probability a person will gain between 10 and 15 lbs during the winter months. Steps. Step 1. Find the height of the distribution. The area under a probability distribution is always 1. As there are 30 units, then the height is 1 by 30. Step 2. Find the width of the slits of the distribution mentioned in the question. Do by subtracting the biggest number from the smallest to b minus a is equals to 15 minus 10 is equals to 5. Step B. Multiply the width by the height to get probability is equals to 5 into 1 by 30 is equals to 5 by 30 is equals to 1 by 6. Conclusion. The more formal formula you can solve these types of problems using the steps above, or you can use the formula for finding the probability for the continuous uniform distribution. This is also sometimes written as P x is equals to x2 minus x1 by b minus a. D and C, x2 minus x1 are the upper and lower bounds of the areas you are trying to find. You get exactly the same answer as if you did followed by the steps above. The formulas works for you and tell it great. Personally, I find it easier to resolve these problems as trying to find an area inside a rectangle. Otherwise, I will just got another formula to memorize. Thank you.